Alright, welcome to the channel. This is my dad's 94 Mustang. We're going to see if we can get it started up today. We're possibly going to do a Coyote swap in the future to make it working.
Yeah, this car hasn't been started in about 2 years. I ran it out of gas because I haven't driven it for about 8 years. So I used to just let it idle in the driveway. Ran it out of gas. I put some more gas in it and it wouldn't start again. And that was 2 years ago. So now we're gonna see if we get started today. So I checked the oil. It's got plenty of dirty oil in it. Looks like it's got some rat droppings on the top too. So, ooh, and a socket. There we go. Tighten up the battery. Alright, go ahead and hop in there and see what the gas gauge reads. I shaved the door handles probably about 10 years ago. Alright, just turn the key and see what if anything turns on. Nothing.
No, it says empty.
It hasn't, there's no power. I'm up to tighten up the battery. Hold on. Alright, we got a quarter tank of gas now. This car's got 167,000 miles on it. Let's see if it makes any noise. Ooh, there's the clutch. Ooh, that's a sticky clutch. It clicks. Hey, wiggle the positive wire on the battery.
Where does it say positive?
It's the red one. Alright, let me see if it does anything. Nope. Alright, let's pull up the truck and get the jumper cables. We are in the coronavirus shutdown, but I haven't shaved since day one, so. Alright, let's see if it makes any noises. Let's try some starting fluid. So it looks like we figured it out. When we turn the key on, there's no fuel pump noises. So we're going to check the fuses. And there's the little mouse nest. Some acorns in there.
Look at her, she's so fluffy.
Yeah. Give the dog a bath. So we're gonna look at some fuses. See if we get this started in the garage.
Let's see if it starts.
It's a fuel pump?
Yep, that's it. Almost, I heard
Almost.
it. It was like so close.
Yeah, we just gotta go wait for fuel to get to the front.
Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Only for a second.
Gotta get the fuel pump in there. Wait. No fuel pump.
Maybe. Well, then what's going on?
Did that Mustang start?
For a second, but no fuel pump's going on now.
Alright. More ground issues. Let's see if we can figure it out. Alright, I think we got it fixed. Gonna pull out of the garage, let it warm up, and then take it for a test drive. See what happens.
Oh, that's a good sign. It's like the first time it's moved in like. Oh. Huh? What's that whistle noise?
I don't know. Probably one of the pulleys.
After 2 years, finally it's running.
Yeah, it's one of the pulleys. Wonder if the AC works.
There's no way. AC works and everything.
Stuck on defrost.
How can you tell?
It's coming up to the top. It's got oil pressure.
That's good.
Just let it warm up.
Do you want me to fix the seats back there?
No. We have to go through there and look at all the parts.
Are you gonna ever put the radio back?
No. The heat works.
Well, that's good. There's a whole lot of
clutch is really terrible, so you're just gonna have to give it some gas and drop the clutch. Otherwise, you're just gonna kill it.
So push it. So do what?
Push the clutch all the way to the floor.
Try to at least.
Okay, see if it'll go in gear.
Alright.
All right, now give it some gas and just let the clutch out really fast. Okay?
Like that.
You're gonna need more gas than that. Push the clutch all the way to the floor.
Alright.
Start it.
Oh yeah, true.
Your clutch isn't all the way to the floor. Alright.
Hold the clutch in. Give it some gas.
Give it some more gas. More gas. That's good. Now drop the clutch. There you go.
Oh yeah. Whew, whew.
Okay.
Jeez. It's the first time I've... Alright, so where's the brakes at? Right there. Alright, okay.
It's the middle one.
Yep. I'm gonna keep my foot on the brakes. Okay. How come it feels wobbly like that?
Because the tires have been sitting for years.
Yeah, that's true.
Alright, give it some more gas, put the clutch in and put it in second gear.
Hold on, I don't even know how to put it in second gear. Hold
Straight
on.
back.
Alright. And then let it go really fast as soon as I do that?
Yep.
Like that? Nope.
You're neutral.
You said straight back, I did.
Okay, go. Push the clutch in all the way in. Alright, now you're in second gear.
Alright.
Alright, more gas.
I'm scared. This is scary. It's my first time like actually driving besides the blue car. Shut up. And then
That forward. All the way. I don't think that's all the way in. Okay. Now give it some gas.
let go.
Give it a lot of gas and let go.
And then put your foot on the brakes.
Now just don't do a burnout. Just give it a lot of gas and let the clutch out really quick and just keep going.
Alright.
You have to give it gas first.
So
Gas before you let the clutch out. Okay, give a lot of gas. Just floor it and let the clutch out.
floor it.
Yep.
Are you sure?
Yep.
Alright. Jesus, I just did a burnout.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Alright, push the clutch in and go second gear.
Oh my god. Hold on. Give me a second. Okay.
There you go, all the way down.
It is.
No, you're not. You're in neutral. There you go. There you go. Now get some gas.
There we go. Whew. Oh my god. My third time driving, I did a burnout. Alright. Woohoo! Oh my god. Yeah, come pick me up. Uh-oh. Just drive. Nothing happens. Oh, why did they have two Corvettes?